In order for you to win the day is to focus and keep moving. And yes, naniniwala ako na isa ka sa nakakalam niyan. Pero bakit nga ba natin kailangan magpatuloy? The answer is to become a champion sa buhay natin in the long run. The ultimate goal is to become more productive. Tapos naniniwala akong kaya mo rin. Why? Because the secret of your success is found on your daily routine. Time check. 9:15 AM. Pauwi pa na ako. Adjustment for the day is the schedule. Syempre, ang hirap. Pero laban lang, palag lang. Laban lang sa hamon ng buhay. Pero ganun pa man, always practice the law of gratitude. Diba? So, yun lang muna guys. See you tomorrow.